Look around. All right, let's start in the front. We'll show you some of the toys we have. All right, so starting off, obviously we got this kayak. People love kayaking. It's such an easy way to get around in some of these nice calm bays, and you can see all the fish in the water, crystal clear. Boat's SCUBA DOO, so obviously we do a lot of diving. We've got 8 dive tanks on board. The rest are stored in there. I'm a PADI dive master, so I love taking people diving. It's such a nice way to experience the Virgin Islands. I think most of the beauty is underneath the water, in my opinion. Here's some paddle boards we have. Again, a nice, easy way to get around and explore a little bit. People love laying on these nets, especially when we're underway. You can lay here, read a book, get some sun. Some of our more adventurous guests love it when it's a little bit rough out and they get splashed with the water. It's like splash zone. Little settee area up here. Another great spot just to hang out. Cocktail hour at the end of the night or end of the day. Read a book. People snuggle up here. These windows open up right here, so it's really easy to serve snacks and drinks through the window. So keep them moving. We have a sun pad up here, which is another really awesome place where people can just lay out, get some sun when we're sailing. Depending on which way we're tacking, like half of it's shaded and the other half isn't. So it's funny to watch people roll around as the shade changes. Go up to our helm. This is the operation station up here. My favorite part of the boat, of course. Plenty of room up here for guests to sit up here. A lot of our guests want to be, interactive with us, and they like to learn how to sail. So it's cool to show everybody, how we do things. So that's always fun. We're on a boat, so obviously we got to have the fishing pole, especially running from between here, St. Thomas and St. Croix. You hit that south drop and you can get anything out there. You get wahoo, tuna, mahi-mahi, and then we can cook fresh fish for dinner, which is awesome. Can't go wrong with that. Here's our dinghy. Perfect size to get people around, go on dinghy missions, find some cool spots that you wouldn't normally get up close to with the big boat, of course. Here's the grill master station. I'm in charge of the grilling, cook steaks, burgers, chicken, fish. It's all good. And then here, finally, is our aft deck. We do all of our dining outside, unless the weather's bad, but it's the Virgin Islands, so the weather's usually good. Again, plenty of room for people to sit, space out, have a nice meal with a nice view. Yeah. Bar, plenty of room for people to put all their, personal effects, cameras, phones, all that kind of stuff. So let's move this party inside, shall we?
All right. Hello, I'm Patty. I'm going to be taking you inside. So over here we have our galley. Nice little setup and whatnot. We have our lounging area in here. If you want to read a book, go ahead and grab one. Come over here and hang out and read for a little bit. I'll be taking you downstairs to the starboard forward. All right. So here's our room in here. We got natural light coming in. Quite nice. Extra memory foam padded beds. Very nice. Super comfy. And then bring them into the heads. So we got a nice bathroom going on here. A lot of space. Plenty of space to put your makeup or products, whatever you need. We got our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here, so you're all set up. Don't need to bring anything else besides that. All right. Be taking you to starboard aft. Same in here. Nice natural light, bedding. Plenty of space. Got more space in here. Got another drawer. Taking you into Here's the other head, nice and spacious. All right. Let's go back up. Now for the port aft bedroom. Here she is. And then also behind the door, there's a nice little window if you would like. You can look out. Oh, you can't really see it right now, but we're sailing, you can usually see out there and watch the water go. It's pretty cool. And here's the other bathroom. All right. And this is me and Brian. It's our room. And I think that's about it for the inside.